Hello! In this exercise, we will learn how to change the display of our layers. We will do this using our View Manager by creating a duplicate of our design view, and then follow these steps described here. Let's do this together. In QGIS, we'll open our View Manager. The first step is to create a duplicate of the design view. We can call it distribution pipes. Now we should select the new view. Next step would be an add a background map. In this case, we're going to add the OpenStreetMap. For this, you must have the Quick Map Services plugin installed. It's important to say that you can use the same view in different projects, so you can configure the view according to your needs. The view is stored in the Workspace folder. Now we're going to change the style of our layer. We'll go to Distribution Pipes, Properties, Labels. We'll add a single label and use the attribute identifier. Let's change the font size from 10 to 7. You see now that the labels are present for all our pipes. Now let's change the symbology. Again, open Properties, Symbology, Categorized. Again, we'll choose the attribute identifier. Then classify. These are all the kinds of pipes present in our network. Let's exclude this one without a name. So now they are categorized per color. The last part of the exercise is to enable show feature count. So like this we know the amount of all the different kinds of pipes in our design. This concludes the exercise Change Display. Thanks for watching.